Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given: if x by x square plus x plus 1 equal to a, then find x square by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 value. So here, like this, all logical, critical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can develop the knowledge. Here, your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. Here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution for this? So here we are having some logic in this problem. So here what you are doing, first of all, you are taking given x by x square plus x plus 1 dividing with x, numerator and denominator. So here x plus 1 by x is equal to a. So here 1 by a is equal to x plus 1 by x minus plus 1. So 1 by a minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by x. Now squaring on both sides. So here you'll get 1 minus a by a whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square. Squaring on both sides. So what will get here? 1 plus a square minus 2a by a square is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. So here sending to that side, 1 plus a square minus 2a square by a square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So taking to that side and taking LCM, so you'll get minus 2. LCM denominator 1 you'll get 2a square. So here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 1 minus a square minus 2a by a square. So but what is required here? X square by x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 value. So here dividing by x square, numerator and denominator, you will get x square plus 1 by x square. So here substituting the value of x square plus 1 by x square in this x square plus 1 by x square, 1 minus, here we are writing in fraction 1 by a square minus 1 minus 2 by a. So here what will get? 1 by a square minus 1 minus 2 by a plus 1 now. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1 by, here if you take LCM, 1 minus 2a by a square. So this can be written as a square by 1 minus 2a is the answer. I hope you like the video. So x square plus x by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 value is a square by 1 minus 2a. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends.